Guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween t-shirts available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have Jean Ting Halloween t-shirts. The Halloween t-shirt for women is made of cotton blend. The fabric is soft and will not shrink significantly in the wash. It is very comfy and stretchy to wear. At number 3 we have Jilly Halloween t-shirts. It's fall y'all cute letter print shirt funny leopard pumpkin graphic t-shirt tops. It is great gift for mom, grandmother, aunt for Halloween, autumn, Thanksgiving or Halloween. It is perfect for casual sports or workwear, good choice to match with your favorite skinny jeans or leggings. At number 2 we have Faux Real Halloween t-shirts. This has photorealistic design, so real it will make you look twice. Great party outfit and easy Halloween costume. At number 1 we have Jack Halloween t-shirts. Joe's USA Jack-o'-lantern pumpkin costumes for Halloween. This t-shirts for men and women are made of quality material and professionally printed here in the USA. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween t-shirts for your need.